So what innovation is SAFER bringing to the nuclear industry? SAFER in itself, the way the program was designed in bringing together the entire nuclear industry fleet to order equipment and put together a response plan to provide a solution to the NRC order in itself is an innovative process. David here can explain a little bit about how that equipment, and talk a little bit about how the equipment and the centers that are there.
Yeah, some of the key innovations that were developed as a result of this program had to deal with designing equipment that could be flown by a wide-body jet. So it had to fit through a cargo door of an MD-11. So that put us some dimensional constraints on it. Another key aspect about that was the weight restriction that we had on, such that we could fly this equipment by helicopter should the site become stranded. In other words, there was no access by roads, and bridges and things of that sort of things were out. Probably one of the most challenging pieces, though, was designing equipment that would operate not only in desert conditions, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, but all the way down into Arctic conditions, down to minus 40 degrees. So a lot of innovations that were set forth by our suppliers to help us achieve those goals, such that we could respond to any type of event should it occur in the United States.
And if you really think about the nuclear industry in the United States, there's 4 different technologies, GE, Westinghouse Combustion Engineering, and Babcock and Wilcox. And then we also have our own designs that are very customized in a sense. So trying to build a piece of equipment that can support all these technologies plus bound the conditions in which they operate under, I think, was a major innovation in this program.